There we go. Kerrie the Kung Fu Kangaroo has got herself a boyfriend. And he keeps saying, Joey, Joey, Joey. I finally figured it out. The big blokes say exactly the same to the does as what the does say when they want the Joey to get back in the pouch. When the kangaroo says, it means Joey. It's what his mother said to him when she wanted him to get back in the pouch. Now, that's back to no telephoto. To minimise camera wobble and shake. She wants me to give her a bit of bread and I don't have any. I've already given her the last slice of bread that I had. But no, I'm sorry, I don't have any bread. Whoops, see, she's gone. And that's Kevin. And Kevin's going to check and see. Yep, see, no, you can't hit the camera. Right. And there's the boyfriend over there. He just can't really understand all this activity at the human's hut. But if he wants to make a Joey with Kerrie here, he has to put up with her fixation for having a pet tame human. But isn't that a nice little interaction? And of course the Choughs are out for some biscuits because they know I've still got biscuits. So this is how I become a factor in the selection of the next generation of kangaroos. If the alpha males haven't got enough bravery to hang around my place, they don't get to make a new Joey. There he is, just sitting there saying, Joey, 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 Joey. Okay, so we're going to feed the Choughs, just because they're all here and they're all expecting it. We can't have a movie that's just on kangaroos. There we go. Chuff, chuff, chuffs. Right, we've now got the Kangaroo sitting up on the tower, and we've got a satin bowerbird as well. You know, you can get them both in the same frame. The biscuits are on the ground, and the kangaroos don't eat biscuits. Kangaroos got his, bowerbird's getting his. See? Isn't it great? The kangaroos called me out to feed them, and they get to watch the birds eating. But that's a nice little clip. Ciao.